Terima kasih. Nama saya Ayu. Singapura itu sukses dengan marinanya itu. Yang ingin saya tanyakan, pemerintah DKI itu ada rencana melakukan reklamasi di pantai utara Jakarta ya. Apakah reklamasi itu termasuk juga dalam upaya konservasi gitu? Yang kedua, kita tahu bahwa Teluk Jakarta itu sangat tercemar gitu Bu. Padahal kita semua di sini sebagian besar itu tinggal di DKI Jakarta. Pertanyaannya, apakah kalau kita mengkonsumsi produk-produk hasil laut dari utara Jakarta, khususnya Tanjung Priok, itu aman? Contohnya misalnya kerang hijau, kerang ikan, rumput laut, itu apa tidak berbahaya? Karena kita pernah mendengar di Jepang itu terjadi kasus penyakit Minamata ya, karena tercemar oleh merkuri yang sangat tinggi. Terima kasih.
So the first is, if you mean by land reclamation, filling, they clean the water, they protect the shoreline. They're very important. I was reading about one of the 1,000 islands here, and it was talking about how they built the wall around the island and filled in those swampy areas and turned them into something useful. Well, those swampy areas used to be the home for little fish, including the big fish, and used to capture sediments that would get washed off the island. So I think we have a long, long history everywhere in the world of taking parts of the coast that are not good for living or for agriculture, but are very good for protecting shorelines and producing fish and birds and shellfish, converting them. And when we do that, we lose all of those. So I don't think that's conservation. I think planting mangroves and seagrass, that kind of restoration is part of conservation. Are the fish dangerous to eat? Well, it all depends on the kind of fish. So if you eat tuna, that some tuna and large fish have mercury in them, right? Because they eat lots of other fish. So the big fish may be dangerous. There are certain fish in estuaries near cities that feed off the bottom, and unfortunately they take chemicals like PCBs and pesticides and put them in their tissues, and that's a problem. But many other fish are absolutely fine to eat. They just eat plankton, so it really depends on the fish.
Okay, so with that last question, thank you all for your attention, and also please join me in thanking Dr. Pendleton and Gonnan, and let's give everyone a round of applause.